In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make progress easier, faster, and more predictable by using 3 types of leverage that will multiply all your efforts. And by the end, you'll know how to use strategically these 3 levers: clarity, people, and structure. This will help you make every action worth more so your team stops spinning and starts moving the needle where it actually counts. Look, taking on new efforts while tackling the day-to-day gets really heavy, right? We've all been there where we've been asked to take on a new goal while the day-to-day is just screaming for us to get back to it. So how do you make movement easier? You apply leverage. Now let's break it down. Number 1, clarity leverage. Clarity is knowing exactly where to apply the force. It's choosing the right lever instead of pushing the rock by hand. If the goal is vague, or if the next step is fuzzy, or if you can't define what success or even great looks like, everything is going to slow down. This is where defining the key lead measures becomes critical. Knowing what you can influence and what best predicts the end goal is going to take you very far. Clarity removes friction, it creates direction, and it makes every movement with less effort. All right, number 2, people leverage. You don't move a big rock alone, right? You move it by placing the right people in the right place. People leverage asks, who already has the insight or skill that makes this 10 times easier? It is not task dumping. It is not blind delegation, but doing things like putting your best thinker on the problem or handing the task to the person who probably already knows the answer. Putting the right person in the right place, and you will see things really accelerate. All right, number 3, structural leverage. Structure is the quiet multiplier most leaders miss. Structure is anything that reduces mental load. It's a simple rhythm, a checklist, a regular check-in, a consistent place where commitments live, or a way to track the few actions that predict the results. Structure stabilizes the lever so the team can push with steady force. It turns good intentions into predictable movement and gets people in the game, When action becomes the default, momentum just starts compounding. So whatever system you're using, or maybe you're going to implement, check in with yourself and ask, is this system making progress easier or harder? If it's easier, you got it, leverage. If it's harder, you are pushing. Okay, now to protect that momentum, go ahead and watch the next video on follow through. It's the rhythm that keeps progress alive week after week. And if you want to, go ahead and tell me in the comments, what is one thing right now that you could leverage better? Is it clarity, people, or structure? I also have the 72-hour follow-through plan linked below in the description. Feel free to download that. It'll help you turn that leverage into real movement. And if you want more leadership tools that make your work easier, go ahead and hit subscribe.